Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this session we want to talk about how we can create the windows or doors and stairs in 3ds Max, and at the end of this video I want to talk about what's the difference between create a wall with a box or create a wall with AEC extended. So let's start. For create a stair, we can create a box here, change parameters, for example this one like this, and this one like this one, and this is like this, for example, and convert this to a table poly and select polygon. This one, for example, extrude, and then extrude this one like this, or extrude again, and this one again. We can create some structure like this, but maybe take a time. And also I can import some object in 3ds Max, but it's good to know how you can create the structures in 3ds Max. For create object, we have to come to create, and for create a 3D object, we have to come to geometry. And now here we have standard primitives. If I left click here, I have standard primitives, compound object, and blah blah, and we have stairs. If I click here, I have 4 options here: straight stairs, L type, U type, or sprawl stairs. These are same together and same option. So for first I select a straight stair, and if I hold left click and drag, I can create length, and if I click and move mouse, I can create width, and then if I click and move mouse, I can create height. So when I create the stair, I have in parameters I have 3 options: open, closed, or box. As you like, you can choose. And here I have some options for my stair, for example this one, and also for handrail, just for left side or just right side or both of together. And also here I can control length and width from here. And here I have some pin. Okay, it's so useful. For example, sometimes just I need 10 stairs, and it's so important for me. Okay, I click here and pin this one, and now if I change this one or this one or also this one or this one, already I have 10. Or sometimes this one is important for me, for example this one. Okay, I pin this one. Maybe I want to change this and also this one. This is same. It's so useful. And this is for thickness from here, or also for depth, and I can change from here. And here I have some parameter from this side. You can see if I change. Move from here, or like this. And here I have some parameter for handrail, change height from here, or offset, look in the top view, or segments for this, for example 3 segments, 4 segments or more, and for radius from here. Okay, and if I want create L type, hold left click and drag, again move mouse and click and move. I can create stair and change this one like this, little bit change from here like this. We can create chair or move from here like this. For thickness, for example, for depth, if we want same option. or change this one, for example. Okay, this is for a step. And now, if I want create doors, I have to come and select this one. I have two options. First, I select this one. And in creation methods, I have two options. First one is with depth and height, and second one is with height and depth. So what's the difference? This one means if I hold left click and drag, I create width, and then for depth and height. And this one, and okay, I can rotate this. Ouch. Like this. Okay, in this one. In modify, I have some options. I can control from here some parameters. And also I can make a double door. And I can also open the door and also flip from here or from here. And if I do a double door, also from here, open more, like this. And for frame, I can change a little bit door offset also. Look at it, left view, like this. And also here, I have some option for my door. Okay, this one, and also this little bit from here, and something like this. It's a lot, like this one, and also this one. Little bit in glass or bevel. I like bevel look. You can change from here, and also from here. Try all of this. You can create different door for yourself. Okay, this is also for door, and also this one, for example, same. Just you can try for learn more. But this is open from here, and you can use flip for open from here, or this one. It's same. And also for create window, you can come and select window from here, and it's same door, not different. And also you can select a two panel and also open from here or flip and change some parameter from here. You have to play for learn more. Okay. And now I want to talk about what's the difference between create a door with a box or create a door with AEC extended. If I want a create a door with a box in top view, I think better. Okay. And I change some parameters. For example, I think this is 2, and here it's okay. About heights, I think 3 is good. And cover this table play and select and the ring and connect and polygon, select and extrude like this. Well, I can create a wall, okay? But if I come in create in AEC extended and select the wall, look at this. We don't use this one because we have a lot of 3D objects or flower objects that we can import into this Max and use. So I select the wall, and now in the top view I create a wall from here. For example, click like this. Okay, and change some parameters. This one 3, same that one, and this is okay. Now we have 2 walls. This one with AEC extended, this one with a box, okay, and cover to a table pulley. So now, if I want to create a door in 3D Max, select this one, and in view, top view, click here. Look, now it's the wall is yellow. That means I create a new wall. Okay, I select this one. I change from here little bit height. Okay, this is my door. And if you look at here, 3ds Max already put the door a wall, and if I move, you can see this is move also. And also if I want to open the door like this. But now if I want to create a door in this wall that I created with the box, okay, change height from here, you can see what's happened. I have to come select a wall and again ring and connect, and move connect from, for example, here, and again ring, connect. Yes, take a time, and ring and connect. And also you can use boolean, but I know some of you don't like boolean. Bridge, but you can see my video, watch my video. We talked about boolean and pro boolean and how we can use them. Okay. See, this is a difference between create a wall with a box and convert to HTML and create a wall with AEC extended. So it's useful for you. Don't forget to hit subscribe and comment for me everything that you want. I can make a video for you in 3ds Max. And stay in my channel for more tips and 3ds Max. See you in the next one.